Hello friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and here is a best out of waste video on making fridge magnets using jar lid. We are going to make 3 different succulent plants in this video using air dry clay and the lids of the jar. So let's go ahead and watch the tutorial on one of the best ways of using the lids of the jar to make beautiful fridge magnets. Friends, let's start making these fridge magnets by taking a lid of the jar. It could be any lid, a jam lid or an ice cream bucket lid. We need to paint the lid with enamel paint, red or black color, which we have already done here. Next, let's take the air dry clay and mix the two components, the resin and the hardener, in equal quantity to make a smooth white dough. Flatten the clay to the size of the lid and stick the clay on the lid using glue. Let's make cuts on the clay, making a mosaic design as shown. Here we have done the mosaic design on one lid. Similarly, let's do the other two lids. Next, let's take some clay and flatten it into semicircle shape. Here we have made the vase. Let's stick it on the lid. Let's make impressions on it using a knife as shown. Now let's make the ball cactus succulent plant for this lid. Taking the clay round, let's make the impressions on it first, and then shape the parts like a ball cactus succulent plant. Flatten one side of the clay and stick it on the lid. Similarly, let's make 5 more shapes, big and small, so that it fits inside the lid. Now let's make another succulent plant, jelly bean plant. Let's make the branch first. Then make the drop shaped leaves by measuring the clay equally . And stick the leaves on the branch as shown. Here we have stuck the vase, and also we have made a small branch too. Next, let's take the third lid. Here too we have attached the vase and made the cactus plant. Let's see how to make the cactus leaf. Taking a medium-sized clay round, let's taper one side of it to make a drop shape. Joining some small and some big shapes together as shown will make the cactus plant. Next, let's make miniature flowers like this by joining 5 small rounds together as shown. Shape the petals using a pencil and complete the flower by adding a center. Here we have completed all the elements required for the fridge magnet. Now let's apply gesso over the clay pieces. Applying 2 coats of gesso will give a smooth texture. Once dry, let's apply black acrylic paint for the background. Similarly, let's complete all the 3 lids. Here we have colored over the mosaic pieces. We can color the background in 3 colors or in 2 colors. Now let's see the procedure of painting the background using ochre yellow and brown color. Let's paint the vase with red and pink color. For the jelly bean plant, let's paint the base with green color, shading the leaves again with mint green and white. Color the stem with brown color. Highlight the leaves by adding a touch of pink color as shown. Next, let's color these ball cactus by first coloring it with green and then adding a touch of chrome yellow and white color to shade it. For the flowers, let's color the petal red and center yellow. Now for the cactus too, let's color the leaves green, shading it with chrome yellow and white color. Similarly, let's do all the leaves. Once dry, let's add little dashes over the leaves using dotting tool and keep it aside to dry completely. Let's arrange and stick the other 2 plants too. One by one, let's stick all the elements together. Lastly, add spikes to ball cactus plant using white 3D outliner. Friends, here are beautiful and colorful 3 succulent plants fridge magnet made using jar lids are ready. We need to stick a magnet at the back to use it as a fridge magnet. Hope you all like this best out of waste craft. Thanks for watching.